How to clear cache in Google Chrome web browser. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this guide, we'll learn on how to delete cache files from Google Chrome. So cache files are temporary files that accumulate on your system over time. They help speed up your browsing experience by reducing the loading times and improving animations. However, as these files build up, they can take up a lot of space on your device. So it's important to clear them occasionally. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser on your device and then click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen, and then click on delete browsing data that is below the extension section. Tap on it, or you can simply press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on your keyboard. A pop-up window will appear, and in this window, make sure to select cached images and files. You can uncheck other options if you want to clear the cache only. Keep in mind that some sites may load more slowly on your next visit after clearing the cache. Once you're ready, click on Delete Data, and there you go. You have successfully cleared your cache and freed up storage space. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.